Hey guys, hope you guys are enjoying your day. Just want to pop on really quick and say the dragon fruit in this video is not a delight, okay? I think we somehow switched the tags around between Cosmic Charlie and Purple Haze. So it's not a delight, obviously. Delight has like a pinkish white color, and this one is fully purple, very dark. So we don't really know what it is yet because this is our first time getting a fruit that we have grown from home and we was able to enjoy on camera, and it was great. I still think the video was worthy to put out, even though it's not the right variety. Um, but it is what it is. Mislabeling happens, and it was still a fun video to record. So let me know in the comments what you guys think it is. Hey guys, today's video is gonna be about my dragon fruit. This variety is called Delight. You guys see this pretty fruit? Gorgeous. And I just wanted to show you guys how it look before I pick the fruit. Now I have other varieties on this trellis, but today we're just gonna talk about this one. So this fruit is a hybrid variety that's a cross between a Haloceris undatus and a Haloceris guatemalensis. It's also self-pollinating. That means you don't need pollen from another variety like Palora or something like that, or sugar dragon. Fruit gets up to 3/4 to 1 pound, but the flower gets up to 14 inches across, so that's large. The taste is sweet and unique. We're gonna go ahead and prune it off, and it maybe could go like 2 more days, but because I'm in a hurry, I'm gonna cut it off probably a little bit early. But I did hear if it's shaking on the vine like this, if you could shake it, that you can also prune it. So it should be good to go. G, you want to do the honors?
It's pretty soft.
So what you're supposed to do is just do like a triangle cut and just cut it like that to get it off. Even though I think they said you could also
just cut the whole thing.
So pretty.
It's soft.
It is soft, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks great. So we're gonna grab a knife and see what it look like on the inside. Yes, people. Knife time. Alright, so we're in the garage. The light is supposed to have a light pink flesh.
Wow.
Wow, it's right. Wow. There's nothing light pink about that. Wait. I'm out here in the sun, people. Look at that. That's not light pink. That's like purple.
Let's see.
It's beautiful. Wow. I wonder if I have the right variety.
Yeah, big one.
Look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Look at that.
See what it tastes like.
What it tastes like?
I don't know. Got like a little lemon flavor to it.
It's beautiful though, guys. Wow.
Got like a little lemon flavor.
Wait, let me try it. Hold on. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try it now. Let's see what it tastes like. It is a unique flavor. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like watermelon.
A little lemon. You taste the lemon, or is it just me?
Yeah, a little hint of lemon too, but wow. Watermelon for sure. Everybody taste buds is different though. G is saying lemon, but I'm tasting watermelon. This is great and it's so pretty. You guys better get some dragon fruits because they have different kinds and they all taste different. So, and they are very healthy. You see this rich color here, high in antioxidants. So it has health benefits, so it's very good to consume these. But that's it for the video, guys. I'm gonna finish my dragon fruit, and you guys have a good day. Bye.